Obi any braba.
Any bre.
Pa. Because a choir Jimensa any Electoral Commission in Penyufo. And I'm so afia batu ye hun hyehyɛ no. Particularly abatu woman no hun hyehyɛ no. Obi eni enyan time. Na the ebobo ba no ehu ma oh my god. Me ha na ninka. Yeah, here
on Asempa FM.
We will find ourselves in an electoral crisis and a constitutional crisis because of the economy.
Adentia.
Obi. Media ya me yapa ne say. Time one new register and was a buy ya bubu who can be twe ho dawre na. Na ye mu bi ye bompa ye say. The ye hu ye nti ana ye kase. The easy for a person mo ye supported by the MPP no. E the assembly ba no. Na ye bompa ye senki be wie no. Na bibia akoso totin. Na nka ye kra na ye ni maguase. Some of us didn't want to be proved right, to be proven right. Because say ekobase ya vindicated a de kan ye na abamu a de ka say besi no asia eye Ghana ena esofa Obi
Asempa
FM 92 besi ne ya sati ato aba wo Ghana ya bato wo hyehyɛ ye nyina ya sumdue because abato aya ye nyina as much as possible emu adapo aye de bu ni frɛ no free and fair. Na de etimi amana basa no is because partly because say register maybe aye de to aba no aya na edim na aye register so a political parties ni stakeholders nyina ene kabom na ye twere na de ato aba no enti ye beto awie no manson twe ne ntokwa bia anhye da nyeden emma se menteme ho ase bi kura ba ekowiem e wo court de beba bia ne nyina ya giatu sa pepepe ne nyina ye hwese afia bato we bekoso asomdue na bibia ye dwojo but Obi the kono what it shows ne se afia bato we may not, let me choose my words carefully. I just essentially need to see and yes sir, we are not likely to have a credible register for these elections.
And then there was
na the mu bi hu ya kan ya mu bi mantie na mo ya electoral commission for diodium ably supported by MPP for no na isi be obi dey kai I can say mu mpe na acho dey kai ya twere die wie ana obi meboa isi for so mo ye register mo adwuma nche ye kra no mbebo ya mane 18th ya so maybe to mo be bie register ni at police station ya na wa wo twere odin bia no wa kwa akogese odin ene wo voters ID card mfo nyini bibia ye dan eno ne friend of voter exhibition
yes
ye beto aba bia ye dan ye enye mre di kan ya ye afo bi yankoti a efiede ya madwi Ablekuma Central isi mpanyimfo akwa dem omo district office san so printed cars for say omo ko chama voters bi
moto ye no wen
the video na by no aye boy video no wa Friday a video akọ viral electoral commission for aye who press statement to them kaba of Ablekuma Central easy office aye printing new voters ID cards Obi before that no na ye MP wa down for honorable Ekopoko so afraid mu bia ka chen say district esunafo south ya ye registration ni nyina awia onu mpo de ne de ne start exhibition
Asempa FM
isifo won the district san so free nipa binum say omo mram fa omo card na omo register ye no omo ko say lie wiem anadwo anopa enya ye no omo fa mra na omo beje card foforo bi ko omo print foforo ma omo na ye adwemu na say e betimi abaza enti Ablekuma de ne ba ya and I'll forward the video to you right away you video evidence say print card say hey e bin si Ghana bakosamuda say e be ye dintwere wie ye boa ye ho aba be ye exhibition na exhibition e fiti ase na the easy for nkwa kwa ko she dem one adwo ba bi print cards Yeah, press conference the video ne ba bontia. Anope na EC4 I issue statement. Umre intimate nka na ma just me kan. Statement by no ma issue a. Dey no mo ka. Omo say oh. Yeah di ntwere no. Ifidie na ye de ye no na bebre. Omo code e ya de kro. Enti cars na ye de ma nipa omo betwere omo din bebre no. A duplicates and triplicates. Shall I say card? Yeah, the card ama obi, yeah, the card ama mesa, yeah, the card ama sabigency. But voters ID number no pay. Oyitimaze. It is said you nipa mienu akọ bi account or Barclays Bank. Ni ama omu nyina one account number. It is not supposed to happen.
Yes.
Because it is a biometric database system. Machine bi will code that you configure. Police station bi will code. It is sit there. And a baby said to me, for one statement or one admission. Na ekoba anesano card na ye dia mani pa bebre wo ho a because of say a duplicates and triplicates into no cards na nya papa omuntimi fanto aba enti ye pese ye print your card ne foforo easy for as na me narrate ni pepepe yo na ye sanso check card ne den. Oh Obi, unfortunately you don't have it. Let me give it to you so that at least you can phone. Na the password on the phone, man.
Okay.
Na so you can forward it to your number.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Na ya sound so ko check card no e de ma wo mu biem. Na ya say dia wo kan dia mu erem. Because Obi dia di kan. Wo magana fo nyina tia se mfidie na ye wo dada na no ne di trading no. Enye papa aye dada. Wo si obsolete ana meboa. Ena mama nipa bi numa support mo na parliament ama musika almost 1 billion cedis. Say mo fanye new voter register. Ye nyina mo se mo be na mo koto mfidipa. Je ye den na fidie mu no awakọ akoto. Etemi generate voters ID cards are ni nyina number e ya de kro. Obi register wa Ashanti, obi Western omo card number ya de kro. Obi wo voter, obi wo Slim omo card number ya de kro. A free 92 you start class ye photo album register bi ensida. Na ye biometric. It's a fidi muno no and a man to papa and I said dey. And I say e fidi dada and a mode be kan fidi muno no man kan no kran kire. Because that is what some of us are hearing. And I'm fidi dada no because he had actually din dada. Na police station codes be ya configure was no. Man uncle you can say reconfiguration.
Yes.
Man your configuration no for. Until ama you have different machines with the same codes and therefore generating the same code numbers. Okay, yemfe no tonche. Ebiem eye den na yesi ye number no susu mfidie number no su na ye den ehwe. Ye nyina ne nemo political parties are major stakeholders yakọ IPAC and ye voters register. And Obi say ye register wie ne close registration. Na sempo easy for mo say mo madwuma ma anye ne yenti. Mo negligence and mo incompetence. Enti nipa mo kosa lie register ya mo cars no mama mo cars enye papa because they duplicates and triplicates and quadruplicates there na was we o ka kire amanyo ko ni nyina se problem abani ana meboa na wa frɛ IPAC na wa ma yehu dia wo pese we ye na wo de so ano na yeso ye wa adwenkyere dia yeso ye dia eden ye dia ba na fe dia yehu se oh ye we registration ye we dia but problem bi aba enti we mu no dia ye dia rectify situation ni obi anfɛ IPAC meeting obi anka hwenkyere isi fonko awo dema na jo not ewia ablokumaden anajo. And they have admitted in their statement say I am passe omuna authorizes someone printing new cars to replace the duplicates. It's a political party by number one amanie printing and the so-called replacement, you know, Obi. Political party by air observer because in our voter registration laws, you know, you register political party agents for you print a card in your hands and be a camera. Now you are taking records. So if you are giving out new cars with new numbers now, where are political parties and your agents who is observing to ensure say the more you know obi fa hon konko wiem uncle printed cars Emma Hoho and now people who are minors or people who are not supposed to be registered.
Asempa FM.
Ebiem wa yaba to nhye ye mu no.
Say on
Want to be printing voters ID card the man will be I just say nipa ne ti wanim. Onu ti ma say. So what card ko register na wo pa. What say ho agency nyina to ne aye ne de wade aso nse na wo ko. Meboa. So what card ne yira mpo na wo kwa ye replacement a. What say district office wa ne aye ade ama wo. Ana wo bi meboa. It is said that I will say who replace cars. Na cars now will replace no. Omo you affected no are not there and you are printing it in your office in the thousands. Say me print here we akwa koche. Political party ni bi ani ho. They will say the card they duplicate ni ho. And you are printing this behind closed doors. Ye chewa. We say oh afraid I am entreating political parties to bring their representatives when this has been going on for weeks. So be ye person ye be who the government of the situation of the problem. Nipa do say na affected. Obi check a list na omo ankasa publish no constituencies. Anytime me say my lawyer mess answer no. Enkwa omo ye affected by this problem. 100. I have checked them one by one. Omo number be kind 100. In Greater Accra alone 21 constituencies out of 34. In Central Region dozens of constituencies.
Central 1, 2,
Asempa
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think 14 constituencies.
Then Greater Accra about 21.
Yes.
Now, Obi.
Volta, the area 4. Eastern Region, Ashanti, Western North, Ahafo, Bono East.
Then Obi, Obi, serious now. In some in some constituencies nipa nko omo card omo register we say card the easy for them ma omo no enye papa not because of omo fault but easy incompetence no ma dia generate cars ani nyina number ye pen e be 2453 mukwijo one area pen
data way free
duplicate list nungwa ya
muamu data na
ya data etu ko constituency bi say Japs preparatory school nungwa polling station easy forcing nipa nko mo affected by duplicate cars na 875 one polling station so virtually everybody there I was set was so but
how do we believe these numbers? Those way
they have listed the list.
They have listed constituencies,
but they have not told us the numbers involved.
Yeah,
it is said you pay 100,000, 200,000, 300,000.
Yeah, we don't know.
But say we MP now was our problem. No area now called district officer. District officers are able to tell you. It is Sam George will say about 1,700. You go from or no the district officer catch no.
Yes.
Omo more problem ni bi no. Yeah, reports ya my election directories, regional and districts. Ako offices in and in some areas, honorable, nipa 2,000, nipa 1,005 per constituency. Even if you take the average as 1,000 per constituency and you are dealing with 100 constituencies, you are talking about something above 100,000. If in a constituency, over 1,000, 2,000 people stand to be disenfranchised by no fault of theirs. Yeah, the card more card nenye papa. And what be the only the woman no. What said them? On can't share political party say you na to adwene ne solve. What's the one print cars never from more political party agency ni wa ye observe wa say ampa. The oh ye no thought because you complain say a binum call man registered during the main registration under the guise of this so-called replacement of duplicate cars or more printing new cars for them.
I know you mumu
all that neighborhood. Yes. Then ye nyina ye ni wo ye ni sumo. Omo ya affected no be say awutie say we are affected how do you know
say on
easy form my own number involved total number omo ma the names of the people involved so that because obi I register the form 1A ni din ni telephone number ye den e wo so enti mo person mo solve crowd without political parties all you do is that by system failure and incompetence whether they will admit it or not if you need 100,000 or 150 but cars are the mamo falling within this problem of duplicates and triplicates. Inti muntimi mfanto aba. Inti
mumra ni enye
foforo. Ni mo number ni. Inti mumra benje foforo. Obi enye sa na ye no.
But is that not what they are doing?
No.
Say omon publishing names, sir. It doesn't mean say they are doing something
Obi,
on tour.
They are thousands and thousands. Yeah, exhibition. 8 days. Now what you back on?
Yes.
8 days no quite a problem because you exhibition will promo with 8 days da. Charlotte say pencil a ye limited registration keke the 21 days in a year exhibition.
But no, not short code be anywhere will be to me.
Afarijan pencil.
Now there is a short code. You can sit in the comfort of
scam. Me baso.
How is it a scam?
Obi a scam. Me person me tutu asem natara. Na Wakwa for 8 days. Afarijan pencil ye new register my 11 days. 8 days. 5 days ko aka 3 days. Now it's 3 days when I find thousands of people over that be na be announcement. I'm on who say I am affected into me koje card for. Na campus kroma kwa exhibition ni bi. This is just one issue. Look at the magnitude of it. Thousands of people are affected by duplicate cars at ECD ama wo. Enam ahopepre ni afutu aye dem mo mentie. Eni adwuma mu nimnti no. I wouldn't say it's deliberate, but this is the problem. And it is widespread across the regions. Ye more political parties are many as a crime men so ni solve. Omo adi omo pressure omo office air printing new cars without the involvement of agents. And we need the because ABC that say easy for printed cars about agency in the thousands. Omo we are affected no so there has not been any publication for you to know say I'm affected into the corner rectify man. Then no be. Yet ya easy for so omo here. You can say Kaja producers on my emre na program ne so many hours na because we hu here pa obi it's about our elections.
Same yana wrap ya plan.
Sisia na me start menya sa. Sisia na me start.
Same o start ya cha yana wrap ya
start. Sisia na me start. Obi. Dia to so bi. Obi.
Ekusi
dia to so bi.
Asempa FM.
Yenim say ye voter exhibition.
Yes.
And you register no one ye be so be am checking it. Ye the fidia ye friend of biometric verification device. Honorable ye MP nti woni. Obi ultima say. Eso si wo
FM.
Enti wo ko now the card kire na ye check udin. Na udin ne wo number na wo register no na wo car so na bibia e kama. Na ya ma wo de won sense afidie ni so. Obi ultima. Na ye hu say eda ne so na wo beto aba afidie ne betimi ayede. I verify. Tani ye exhibition. Because about to say no verification, no vote. It didn't be checking the D woman or qua. Would you bet in your womb down by Tuabano? Maybe between the time I will register and the time I will exhibition, the BS fingerprint details. I say, I was here, don't question face only register. So it is necessary. Said the BVD machine will be there. Obi, exhibition, 80% of the polling stations, no BVD machine. Western region honorable free out of the 1078 polling stations a year exhibition 400 per NFD over 600 near chiri FD bi ani ho. How can you do an exhibition because
Asempa FM
say me din bibia wom ba me fingerprint details now capture here no and you be there ye mismatch and swap here until me dey say FD no so me hu ye who complaints of omo call your details bibia we register no omo say FD no so I reject you, meaning that there is a problem with the bio data you store against their name in the register. So how can you do an exhibition without BVD machine? Obi ebiem ansana obi no me boson tentem o say me komika ansana ye be exhibition no ye dey friend adjudication. Adjudication ne say ye registration ni nyina wi a na afidie no ye deduplication che say wa u register mienu bia afidie ne be peke wo say we ni we ba your data ese nti be hwa e nipa de kro no ye say afidie ni ni kwan say eyi mu din film e wo say easy for compile sa cases of omo di aba mienu no no mo de koma committee a ye from adjudication committee na adjudication committee for na tena se hwehwe mu a omuni easy for nyina ka say oh we there you have time or register in any way na interval na be 5 minutes. It is possible that a double registration ti entwam we have time interval na 10 seconds into be a machine na duplicate ti e phantom check committee ni we na dwuma e ma de was say ye ni din free register ni mo de call exceptional register and multiple register na so no ye de call ansa na ya exhibition. Adjudication committee for your last meeting 27th na was omo share third o man share and na me no ka say no ma send notice omo be share ya wodai yɛwie adjudication ma yɛhu deɛ wɔ se yɛyi ne din firim yɛse yɛyɛ exhibition obi ebi nsi da ɛwɔ Ghana abakɔsɛm mu last batch one obi nipa a wɔn din ni register ni wɔn register yɛ wɔn kita wɔn card na yɛ mi yasɛ na yɛ ni time yɛ bɛ san baabi mu honourable exhibition bia yɛ because yɛ nim sɛ challenges bɛyɛ dɛ ɛbɛba that is why yɛ exhibition so that we can solve the exhibition but normally you know challenges you know ɛyɛ na yɛ isolated it is not the normal situation to work on oh there nipa bɛyɛ num nipa bɛyɛ dubi obi zɔ ɔtɛm ase but for example in Ashaimaya nipa 7,000 di ayira wɔ Laura kura yɛ fɛ ni Tongo a nipa 439 yɛ twere omu din register ne ba nipa 7 din na ɛwɔ so
asa 7,000 figures ne we a wo munya free
first day yɛ the register by na nipa 21,000 din ni say yɛ wo registration ni wia agents wɔ print house no the wia isi kura so publish constituency bia de do omo yɛ have a provincial register about for exhibition a less 21,000 and on best sign the cast omo yɛ so first register ne papa second one so buy a less 7,000 Tongo ya make here wo lorry nipa 437 e twere mudi register by nipa 7 din na was so 432 ni wo Binduri you have about 99%. You see Obi it's a time waha I have brought you all your original reports from our election directors where in some constituencies near Airano 80%, 90%, 70%, and it is in every region and in about 80% of constituencies.
The final issue near then
Obi nipa ba ko te say bia me same janfia and na me polling station na me register ya na nipa be apem na wo ha na ye de me nko mi picture ma nipa apem ni nyina. Can you imagine? Eastern region, central region, you go picture mismatch no ho say ben ma picture dey ama by no dey wo ho e normal but make sure the seriousness of these anomalies say it is not the normal anomalies we encounter during exhibition. And you see the difference is that during those exhibitions so what challenges why you can do what resolve. Now you have 76 days and challenges when you're normal where you have 70 80%, in some cases 90%, 60% of names missing, in some cases 70-80% of pictures mismatched, and then the code finally the 1422 said you know ebi mu check here wrong data ebi will be there na aba na oba there ebi ana nipa na ebema there what check is who say bibia ye correct no obekọ ni voter the police station ankasa no na different information and that is why yesterday we cautioned the say and rely on the app. Go to your center and check the register. To be the make idea
I think your points are well.
I'm just concluding. I need to make some calls here. I'm making some demands. Some demands.
Wait.
Let me make this concluding demands.
You will have the time to do that.
Just 5 seconds. May I sign it out?
Do that briefly.
This voter exhibition exercise must be overhauled. I will say you die. Now, you see, every emergency IPAC meeting. No problem, you see, cars, it has to be solved because we have 76 days.
Point well.
Either than that, we are heading for a major electoral and constitutional